Hey everyone, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. In this video, we are diving into the world of abstract art with 8 creative ways to spark new ideas for your next project. So, without further ado, let's get started. Take a walk in the nature. The colors, textures, shapes you encounter can serve as fantastic inspiration. Make sure you bring a sketchbook or a camera to capture anything that catches your eye. Let the nature be your guide. I've done this exercise a couple of times, so whenever I go out, usually I take my phone with me and I capture whatever which makes me feel interested. Sometimes it could be a short video, or sometimes it could be a picture of a specific texture on a tree bark or on a leaf, etc. So give it a shot. Go out there, walk, and see if something inspires you. Let me know in the comment section as well if you ever do this and if you get inspired by this particular exercise. All right, so let's move on to the next point, which is listen to music or soundscapes. Let the rhythm and mood guide your brushstrokes and color choices. And do know that different genres can evoke different emotions and ideas. So I would say explore. Sometimes for me, usually when I paint abstract artwork, I prefer jazz or blues or something which is very mellow and relaxing and calm, which kind of makes me feel that I'm at ease, and it sets the mood for me, and then I start to paint. So yeah, give it a try. Try different types of music and see where it takes you. And the next one is visit virtual art galleries. In this digital age, there is no need to get out of your comfort zone. Stay at home. There are a lot of virtual galleries which are being established. You can start with a link that I've provided in the description below, which is a link to my own gallery on a platform by the name Spatial. There are thousands of virtual galleries online, and seeing other artists' work can ignite your creativity and give you new perspectives. So make sure you do that, and let me know if you visit any gallery and if it inspires you to do something. The next point is much more interesting: dreams and imagination. So here we tap into our dreams and imagination. Keep a dream journal and sketch or paint any vivid images or concepts that come to your mind. So the moment you wake up, see if you have remembered, or if you remember that you have dreamed of something, and see if you have seen something crazy and try to sketch it, try to bring out that emotion and see where it takes you. The next point is meditation and mindfulness. Practice meditation and mindfulness. This is straight to the point. It clears your mind. It can also help you access deeper creativity and visualize new abstract concepts. That is a proven point. Give it a try. And the next point is find inspiration in everyday objects. Look at ordinary things around you in a new light. Shadows and reflections can give a much more deeper insights to what you're looking at. And even mundane objects like a sheet on your bed, or something which is laying on your table, can become an extraordinary item which might inspire you you know. And the next point is cultural exploration. Explore different cultures, study traditional patterns, textiles, and artworks from around the world. Cultural elements can provide a rich source of inspiration for your abstract creations. We are at the eighth point now, which is abstract photography. Use abstract photography as a reference. Look at close up shots, unusual angles, macro photography of unique patterns and compositions. Trying to do this will help you gain a lot of insights into all these different patterns, and you can implement those things while you're painting. So, there you have it, 8 ways to get ideas for your abstract paintings. Remember, inspiration can come from anywhere, so keep an open mind and let your creativity flow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which tip you'll try next. Don't forget to subscribe for more art tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy painting.